How to turn on or turn off show as pop up for app notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and click on clock app. Calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on notifications. After click on notification, click on notification categories. After click on notification categories, click on general notification and you will see show as pop-up is here. If you want to turn off show as pop-up, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see show as pop-up is turned off. If you want to turn on show as pop-up, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see show as pop-up is turned on. You will turn on or turn off show as pop-up from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show as pop-up for app notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.